All right, time for some almost Friday birthdays across the 4 states, and we are making a stop first in St. Paul, where Dirks Witt is celebrating the big number 1 today. Happy birthday.
All right, we've got a pair of twins in Dennis, Kansas. Savannah and Tegan Shaw are turning 12 years old. Happy birthday with love from Mom and Pop.
And we've got J.C. Baker over in Humboldt, Kansas, celebrating birthday number 13. Happy birthday, J.C.
All right, Cody Rector turning 16 years old this year. Happy birthday to Cody in Commerce, Oklahoma, with love from Mom and the family.
And over in Erie, we've got Ethan Yarnell celebrating birthday number 17. Happy birthday, Ethan.
In Franklin, Brendan Alters celebrating birthday number 18 this year.
And we've got Wade Daniels celebrating birthday number 36 in Mound Valley. Happy birthday, Wade.
All right, and Sean Buckle celebrating birthday number 37 this year. Down in Hominy, Oklahoma, there he is holding his son Ryder.
And we've got a mother and daughter birthday celebrating on the same day in Jasper. It's Alexis Derman and Sarah Derman. Alexis turning 42, Sarah turning 20. Happy birthday to the Dermans in Jasper.
That's pretty cool to share a birthday with your mama. And Joe Taylor celebrating the big 4-0 this year in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday, Joe.
And we've got David Camp celebrating birthday number 61 with a great throwback picture there. Happy birthday, David, in Fort Scott. So we want to continue to celebrate, and we want you to celebrate with us. Tanya knows how you can help us do that.
That's right. You can send us your birthdays through the mail, drop them off, or the easiest way to do it is email them to us at birthdays@KOAMTV.com or birthdays@KOAMNewsNow.com.
And of course, over at our website, you should take some time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get some great deals from local businesses, and you get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. Just go to KOAMNewsNow.com. Sign up for that birthday club today. Well, coming